I keep telling people that I am alright. I don't need nobody to see my pain. My mama told me, my child, don't rush. Walk slowly, you're gonna win one day. And now I'm working hard cause I know someday that everything is gonna be okay. Wake up! I'm now on the road and I'm not going home until my pocket say no space anymore. I'm building rescue boat for my family. I am no. I'm doing a lot of things that I don't like to. Just to be the best, that is what I'm meant to be. Niggas wanna be me, but they don't know what I do.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic escolopedia precalculation exagertica.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus. No. No.